So, giving money is not good na sobra?
Alam mo, ano ba yung mga required obligations mo? I'll give you an example. Meron tayong friend, hindi siya makauwi kasi pinaparan niya pa yung mga pamangkin niya. Yun, tama pa ba yun na karga mo lahat? May magulang yun di ba? So, now the question is, do you prepare for yourself?
So, if you are a tito, what investment fits you?
Property. Property kasi, di ba? Ang dali intindihin.
Okay.
Although, mahal bilhin and everything. Sa property pa rin, it's still a location issue. It's a usage issue, rental potential. So, you don't just buy property for capital gain. Dapat, pag bibili ka ng property, dapat one of your consideration also is can you earn from it? Kasi kung matutulog yung pera mo, kahit may gain yan, you're not accelerating as fast. Iba yung nagka-capital gain ka, at the same time, you're churning out income from it. Yun yung, for me, is a better way of going through property investing.
Should you land bank at that age or at that age dapat nagpaparent ka
Alam mo, iba siya eh. Iba yung may season siya, may mga ganong scenario. Like, at yung family namin, we did not just land bank, we made sure that we earned from those. Although some of them, we did land bank, but hindi kami ganun ka-happy with when we eventually were able to unload it, the gains are not that fantastic. May gains, pero iba rin kasi pag may income siya, gains mo. Una-una, hirap na nga i-compute nung yung actual kinita ng pera mo with that. My consideration with property is, can I earn from it?
Next question. Tito ka, ipit yung mutual funds mo tsaka yung stocks mo. Anong gagawin mo?
Investing pa rin based on your objectives, no? So, when do you need the money,
But
diba?
is mutual fund a Tito investment also?
I think mutual fund is for everybody. I
Okay.
think that's right. But Tito in the sense na, wala ka nang tiyaga mag-aral ng market. Diba yung ginagawa ni Marvin ng analysis paralysis? Ako, may social life pa ako, no? So that's why I enjoy it. I mean, I like looking at economic charts. I don't like looking at stock charts, no? I've been saying this, I'm more fundamental than anything else, no? It's easier for me to understand. So mutual funds is good if you're willing to wait. Kasi, alam mo, I've been investing in the mutual funds for tagal na, and I've been happy with what I get eh.
Real estate is a Tito investment, then mutual funds and stocks is also a Tito investment.
Mapapagalitan tayo nito, no? But it's a good investment.
Oh, it's a good
For me, it's sound.
Okay.
Titos they do sound investments. Diba? So, hindi siya, in terms of risk, mas palatable siya for me.
So, sa mga titong event, what should they do right now?
Hindi lang naman yun ang source of income mo eh. Like, when you invest, diba ka Marvin, pag in-invest mo, hindi mo naman yan iniisip na, pag kailangan ko mapulat, hindi naman tayo ganun dapat eh. I mean, when we put money in investments, we kind of leave it there eh. Parang, until the time na I need it. So, that's always been my strategy. That worked for me.
Okay.
It's always mean that it's gonna work for everybody else.
If you are a Tito now,
Tito investment, Colhan, yeah.
if you're a Tito right now, should you add more insurance or should you lessen it already?
Grabe ka naman, parang classmate ko to So imagine mo anong age namin, we're in our early 50s. So nakita ang anak niya, how old is your daughter? Is that your youngest? No, that's my eldest. Sabi niya, I have a 4 years old. Sabi ko, bro, my eldest is 27. Now, between me and my friend, kaya pareho kaming tito, pareho kami nakakunan.
Nakakulan din siya.
Yeah.
So, dapat pala hindi na ako nagkukulan. Hindi pa pang,
so, he needs insurance.
Okay.
So, alam mo yun, at the end of the day, it's really more usage than anything else. Pwede kang 50s ka na nga, pero alam mo yun, tatrabaho ka pa, active ka pa, wala ka pa plano mag-retire, then you should be investing pa rin.
Sige, ito test kung Tito ka. Sinong mga kilala mong Boston Celtics na players?
Siyempre si Larry Bird.
Larry Bird. Tito test. Approve. Ano pa? Sa PBA, sinong pinaka-popular na basketball player?
Jaworski.
Yan ang Tito test. Should you make a will and testament for
alam
your
mo,
kids?
regardless whether you're Tito or not, it's a good idea to put ready a will. Kasi ang will naman is to make sure that things are done orderly. So at least yung free portion mo, malinaw tayo, anong gagawin. So it's always a good idea. Hindi naman ganun kahirap gumawa ng will, di ba? So,
But do you recommend for Titos to put money still in time deposits?
ako, yes. Kasi lalo na yung mga pera, hindi naman lahat ng pera mo, in-expect mo malaking capital gain, di ba? You wanna keep liquidity, emergency funds mo. Plus the fact na mataas sa mga interest. I just renewed mga TDs ng family finances namin. I got a 5%. So, for a TD for 45 days. It's not bad, no? You can actually get good rates. May mga IMAs or not necessarily TDs, but may mga ibang options ka na pwede mo tignan. So, now that the interest rates are still high, take advantage.
Sa mga tito natin na taga-Japan na 10, 15, 20 years na nandun na wala pang ipon, what do you recommend that they should do?
Una-una,
Okay, pero how?
event.
Okay.
Education is your best investment.
Okay.
So, I think that's very important. But I think you really have to start looking at how you can actually adjust your budget so that you can include savings. Alam ko mahirap, it's never easy.
Oh,
We went through all of those things. But you really have to do something kasi ang hirap talaga, kawawa ka talaga pag tumanda ka, wala kang pera.
Okay. Pero kung
That's
kunyari
really
ganun, may lagi sila nagpapadala, extended family, pinapadala nila, so parang naging tito sila ng lahat sa Manila,
Yun.
tapos mataas pa yung bilihin sa
Alam mo,
Pilipinas.
minsan,
Ano gawin nila pag ganun? Okay.
itong masakit man sabihin karga mo yung obligasyon ng buong pamilya. I think it's time for you to practice tough love. You should also love yourself. Kawawa ka pag tanda mo. It's hard. I've seen it. A lot of people sacrificed. Tapos pag nung siya na yung matanda, hirap na hirap siya. Tapos wala siyang pera. Tapos sometimes they end up begging for money. It's a very sad state. So sana huwag tayo umabot sa ganun. When you give so much, hindi ka nakakatulong. Minsan na-enable mo pa yung bad behavior.
So giving money is not good na sobra?
Alam mo, ano ba yung mga required obligations mo? I'll give you an example. Meron tayong friend. Hindi siya makauwi kasi pinaparan niya pa yung mga pamangkin niya. Yun, tama pa ba yun na karga mo lahat? May magulang yun di ba? So, now the question is, do you prepare for yourself?
Pero does it...
Kung nakakapag-prepare ka para
Okay.
sa sarili mo, may nasa-save ka, tapos excess na yan, then good.
Okay.
Pero kung yan ang sarili mo, hindi mo para tutulungan, paano yan?
Kung hindi niya natutulungan sarili niya, tapos hindi rin niya natutulungan yung ibang tao also, does it mean responsible tito siya na pag hindi niya natulungan yung education ng...
Tito or hindi tito At the end of the day,
This is a tito video.
at the end of the day, we all have to be responsible for our own actions.
Okay.
So, make sure that you prepare. I mean, kasi, totoo, may mga ibang tao, takas kumita, hindi naman tumutulong, at hindi rin naman tutulungan sa sarili. Ang suggestion ko dyan, wake up. Wake up, learn about these things before it's too late. Kasi, hindi naman lahat ng tao hindi nakakaipon dahil tumutulong. Ibang tao talaga hindi nag-iipon, period. Ang net worth niya is composed of Jordans and Louis Vuittons and mga ganun. So, you have to do something about it. Kasi kawawa ka talaga at the end of the day.
So to all titos out there, what's your message for them?
Take a closer look at your finances. Lalo na ngayon at a certain age, pero si Marvin, tito talaga. At a certain age, time is getting shorter. If you're in Marvin's age, he can be very bold with his finances. But if you're my age, prudence is really more important than anything else. So, do something about it. Maximize your savings. Start investing before it's too late. Kasi kung gagawin mo yan, na matanda ka na, wala ka na magagawa No investment opportunity will do that. Baka nga mas scam ka pa kasi nga, yun ang naging problema, Marvin Kasi nga hindi nakaipon, tapos magmamadali, and they will make bad decisions. Kasi greed comes in, ignorance comes in, and all these things, then it's too late for you to do something about it.
Diba amazing? It's nice to hear tito tips from the #1 financial tito.
Tito ng bayan.
So that's it for now.
Dami ko na pangalan.
Hope
Tito
this-
ng bayan, tito ng bayan. Grabe.
Oh,
Okay.
comment below if you want it
Tatandaan
to be
din
an
siya,
inong.
huwag kang
So hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. Bye-bye.